Did you have a good bath, Stella? Good girl. Stella, it's too early for this. Don't. Stella, hey. You're not being a good girl. Again. Don't. Ooh, whoops.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty. Small boy, baby.
Can you look over here, please?
Tiny boy.
Jeffrey.
Does not know anything.
Excuse
Does not
me.
even know ABCs. Just knows
What are you doing?
belittle and nap. So pure.
Good morning, Stella. You a good girl? Good girl? Good girl. Are you a pickle? Good girl? You want the pumpkin? Good girl. You're a good girl. Okay, TikTok, you requested a video of Stella getting a bath, so here it is. He doesn't get into it nearly as much as Jeff does. Good girl? Good girl? Are you a good girl? You're trying. You already got rice! Stella. Pickle. Good girl. Good girl. Pickle. Nothing. Woo.
Drink water and love yourself. Drink water and love yourself. Drink water and love yourself. Drink water and love yourself.
Stella, What is your obsession with the toothbrushes? Stop it. What are you doing? Don't do it. No. Stella. Don't. No. No. Stella. You're not being good. You're so bad. Stop.
Good girl? Is that you, good girl? Morgan? What about you, Dad? Are you pissed? Morgan? Woo woo! Good girl? Good girl? What you doing?
Let go. Let go. Are you proud of yourself?